What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bit of a sad video today. Selling the Del Sol. Just cleaned it up, just went and got the title opened, and the kid should be here any minute. He was just following me, just got lost. And this thing's going bye-bye. So I'm really sad to let it go. Obviously, if you guys have been watching the channel for a minute, you know that I've had this car for about 2.5 years now. It's been an incredible car. It's been a ton of fun. I've learned a lot with it. I've grown with it, you know, all that soft guy mumbo jumbo, and I get really sentimental. So it's a little sad, you know, but I mean, it's going to a good home. The kid has a Del Sol also, so it's not just like going to some random nobody, and it'll be good. Just sad. Have fun with it. Thank you. There she goes. That hurts to see. Like, that really honestly hurts to see. But again, the kid, after talking with him, he seems like a pretty level-headed kid. He's got obviously that blue Del Sol you guys just saw. He's had that one for like 2 years. He said he's just been trying to slowly build it up, and he wants another one. So hopefully the one that I just gave him gives him good justice. The only thing it really needed was the brakes bled a little bit more, and then that trans seal, the other one, the half shaft seal. So thanks, Ashton, for buying it. Hopefully you enjoy it if you're watching this video. And as for me, I'm gonna go cry myself and sleep or something. I don't even know. It's midday, but I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. I'm sad. But for the rest of this video, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and recap all the progress made with the Del Sol. So I'm going to just kind of do like a little montage of when we got it to where it is now. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you do, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you've considered subscribing. And anyways, guys, do what you love, forget the rest. We'll see what comes next. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. Alright, so good morning, guys. What's going on? I forgot to grab my camera before I left the house, but today we're kind of doing something semi-spontaneous and something that I've also been kind of working on a little bit. So going to pick up a daily, and I'm gonna just be that douche, and I'm gonna just black out the thumbnail or something so you guys can't really see it, and I don't know. I'll just leave it at that. I think I get a daily. Getting gas right now, so let's make this happen. And we're both really awkward, so I won't film him, but here it is. All right, guys, I don't know how well you can hear me right now because I got the top off and the windows down, but we're driving it home right now. It needs a little bit of work, but I mean, I couldn't pass this car up. I mean, this is such a deal, and I'm happy that he wanted to be a part of the channel. All right, so minus the sun being awful lighting, 100% bone stock, down to the airbox. So Foley's holding up. So, as you can hear, that sounds like trash, and after doing some diagnosing and whatnot, listening around, crawling under the car, I traced it down to the alternator. Oh, that's so bad. All right, so found one so far. So yeah, try and get this thing off. Get some gloves though, because I don't feel like getting completely and utterly gross. Now, can we wiggle it up top? Do I have to rip this harness out of the way? No, but I gotta rip. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can definitely feel it. It is completely just like, there's so much resistance. This is definitely the issue. You shouldn't be able to hear that. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, alright, well, tranny's off. Clutch material is everywhere.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Well, there's their problem.
What is this? South Africa? So, yeah, this thing, the disc itself just feels really sloppy. Like it feels loose.
Oh, you can feel like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the humps. You feel them?
Yeah, there's mad heat spots on the pressure plate. this is it. I got it primed up, got the ECU in, got the fluids in, so let's give it a shot.